Welcome back. Today we uncover the dramatic history of one of the Bible's most battle-scarred cities, Gezer, lost beneath centuries of soil, now finally revealed by science. Once home to kings, warriors, and prophets, Gezer sits at the heart of ancient Israel, mentioned in Egyptian, Assyrian, and biblical records. But what really happened here? Thanks to cutting-edge radiocarbon dating, scientists now have hard proof of the violent events that shaped this city over 3,000 years ago. Researchers tested 35 organic samples, mostly seeds, found in destruction and rebuilding layers. These ancient traces helped create the first radiocarbon-based timeline for Gezer's rise and fall. One of the earliest confirmed events? The destruction of Gezer under Pharaoh Merneptah. Walls fell westward, rooms were filled with boulders and buried in 1.5 meters of mud brick rubble. Shockingly, the ruins suggest people fled in haste. The city's heart was found eerily empty, abandoned in a moment of chaos. And yes, the radiocarbon dates match written records. This confirms the biblical link to Pharaoh Merneptah's campaign. Gezer was more than a city, it was a crossroads of ancient empires, each leaving their mark in fire and stone. Another powerful name emerges from the dust, Pharaoh Shishak, the first Egyptian king named in the Bible. His destruction of Gezer, also confirmed by this study. The radiocarbon data lines up with biblical accounts, strengthening the case for Shishak's fiery conquest. But not every tale holds up. One story, linking Gezer's fall to the campaign of Hazael, a king from 1 Kings, didn't match the evidence. Hazael's assault may have happened, but not here, at least not in the way the timeline suggests. This is more than archaeology, it's truth-testing history. Matching text to soil, myth to data, scripture to science. The results bring us closer to the real timeline of ancient Israel, reshaping what we know about power, destruction, and rebuilding in the Holy Land. The Tandy excavation team's map now serves as a historical roadmap, helping scholars and believers alike reimagine the past with new clarity. From pharaohs to prophets, from fire to fragments, Gezer's story is still being written by the very soil beneath our feet. The Bible and the shovel are finally telling the same story, but the quest for truth, it's only just beginning. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more discoveries that are changing everything we thought we knew. LG News.